Hi for today we are going to be learning to find the area of composite shapes. A composite shape is where there is a variety of shapes joined together, not your regular shapes. The learning intention: to find the area of a composite shape. Success criteria: find the measurements of the unknown sides, if not given. Create rectangles, squares from your composite shape. Multiply or times length by width for all the shapes. Add the area of the shapes together. Find and record your answer. Don't forget to add your units, centimetres squared or metres squared. Just remember, make sure all the measurements are in the same units. If they are different, make sure you convert them so the units are the same before multiplying length times width. Area. So area is the measurement of the amount of surface inside the shape. So this is all the area inside the shapes as indicated by the purple lines. Area is measured in square units, for example, square centimetres and square metres. The little 2 representing squared. The formula for area is length times width. Area equals length times width. Here we have a rectangle, that is the length, and here is the width. Your first example. Here we have a composite shape. You can see that this shape has already been divided into two shapes, both shapes being rectangles. In order to find the area of this shape, the first thing that you need to do is you need to find the area of shape A, and then you need to find the area of shape B, and finally you add the totals together. Shape A, area equals length times width. The length is 12 metres and the width is 4 metres. 12 times 4 is 48, not forgetting your metres squared, your units. Now we need to look at shape B. You can see there is a length of 3 and a width of 2. Shape B, area equals length times width. Area equals 3 metres times 2 metres. 3 times 2 is 6 metres squared. The final thing you need to do is you need to add the area of shape A to the area of shape B. So the area of the shape is area equals shape A plus shape B. We know shape A is 48 metres squared and we know shape B is 6 metres squared. 48 plus 6 is 54 metres squared. So the area all in this shape together is 54 metres squared. The next example. Here we have another shape. You can see that there are measurements. You can see that you can easily divide this shape into two rectangles. One rectangle and two rectangles. So we'll call that one shape A and we'll call this one shape B. Again, we need to find the area of shape A and then we need to find the area of shape B. But before we can do that, we have a side that is unknown. Now we know that from this point to this point it's 10 centimetres. We know that this point to this point is 3 centimetres. This point to this point is 3 centimetres. But what is this part of the shape? How do we find that out? So 3 centimetres plus our question mark plus 3 centimetres has to equal 10 centimetres because opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. We've got the 10 centimetres from here, 3 centimetres and 3 centimetres come from here and the question mark comes from here. This length is exactly the same as this length here. So 3 centimetres plus 3 centimetres equals 6 centimetres plus question mark, which equals 10 centimetres. 6 plus what number equals 10 centimetres? 6, you could do this in two ways. You could work out what 6 plus something which equals 10, or you could take 6 to the other side and subtract. 10 minus 6 equals question mark. question mark equals 4 centimetres. Now we can replace the question mark with 4 centimetres. Now we can get started on finding our area. Shape A. Area equals length times width. The length being 10 centimetres, the width being 3 centimetres. Area equals 10 times 3 centimetres. Area equals 30 centimetres squared. Not forgetting the little 2. Now time for finding the area of shape B. Area equals length times width. The length is 7 centimetres and the width is 4 centimetres. 7 centimetres times 4 centimetres is 28 centimetres squared. The final thing you need to do is add these two shapes together, their area, to find the total area of both shapes. So the area of the shape is area equals shape A plus shape B. Area equals 30 centimetres squared plus 28 centimetres squared, which equals 58 centimetres squared. Your activity is you need to complete the activities which are assigned on Canvas. Happy finding the area of composite shapes.